everyone, I'm Andrea, a doctor of physical therapy, and today I'll be showing you how to assemble your U-shaped Pelegon shower chair correctly. What is great about this product is that no tools are needed to assemble it, just the pieces from your package. So let's get started. Let's display all the different parts in front of us. First, notice the seat. Here you can see the backrest and 4 small legs with rubber tips. Here, there are 4 curved bars with stickers on them. And here, there are 2 U-shaped paddled handlebars, 2 L-shaped bars, and 2 straight rods with dents in the middle. Let's look at the screw pack. It has 2 small screws, 9 medium-sized screws, and 9 large-sized screws. Notice that there is 1 extra screw of each size, just in case. If you think any parts are missing or damaged, don't hesitate. Contact us at Pelegon Customer Support and we'll take care of it. First, place the seat upside down so the stickers are visible. Then, place the D or E curve bar in its place over here. It doesn't really matter with what bar you start with. Once in place, use the medium-sized screws to attach the bar to the seat by the outer hole. Use the correct screw size to avoid damage to the chair. Remember, keep the inner hole open for now. Do the same with the rest of the frame, attaching the other 3 bars. Now, let's attach the 2 L-shaped bars. Keep the chair upside down and connect the bars, this time using 4 large-sized screws in the inner holes. Notice the back sticker showing where to place the bars. It's always best not to fully tighten the screw until all of them are partially screwed, and only then to tighten them. Once both bars are in place, let's flip the chair and attach both handles. You might need to press a bit. That's normal. Now let's attach the backrest by using 4 medium-sized screws. As mentioned, it's best to tighten the screws only once all 4 are partially screwed. Next, let us attach the 4 legs. They're all the same, so the order doesn't matter. Just make sure all legs are even and fully locked. Once done with the legs, let us assemble the crossbar using the 2 straight rods. And be sure to place a small size screw so that the threaded hole is on the bottom rod. Now that the crossbar is ready, let's connect it to the frame by using the 4 large screws. You'll need to make sure that the holes of the frame and the bar are aligned. You may need to apply some pressure in order to connect the crossbar and screw them all the way. Once the crossbar is ready, the chair is practically set and ready. One last thing. For useful tips on how to use a U-shaped shower chair, check out the How to Use video at the link below or at pelegon.com. And that's all there is to it. I hope you found this video helpful. Bye-bye for now.